Claim, can factory owners get 12-hour work for 8 hours pay under new labor codes? Fact check. The claim is going viral on social media. The Center of Indian Trade Unions, CITU, Delhi has circulated claims on social media asserting that India's newly implemented Occupational Safety, Health and Working Conditions (OSH) Code 2020, effective November 21, 2025, empowers factory owners to unilaterally set rest periods and spread over for workers, enabling them to mandate 12-hour shifts while compensating only for 8 hours. This portrayal suggests a pro-employer shift that erodes workers' protections.
6 बजे तक फिर काम करवाया। इसका मतलब है कि तुम्हारा काम तो हुआ 8 घंटा, पर सुबह 6 बजे से शाम को 6 बजे तक तुम्हें फैक्ट्री में रहना पड़ा। वेतन तुम्हें मिलेगा कितने का? 8 ही घंटे का, पर 12 घंटा तुम्हें रहना पड़ गया फैक्ट्री में।
Fact check. Truth. The claim is misleading. The Occupational Safety, Health and Working Conditions Code 2020, effective November 21, 2025, does not permit any such unilateral employer imposition of working conditions. Instead, it says overtime work requires worker consent and double payment. Fact check details. Digit India decided to investigate this claim and found that it is misleading. The newly implemented Occupational Safety, Health and Working Conditions (OSH) Code 2020 does not state that the factory owner can exploit the worker for 12 hours and not pay overtime. The code maintains government oversight on key parameters, mandates overtime pay at double rates and prohibits unilateral employer impositions. Section 25(1) Part A of the OSH Code caps daily work at 8 hours, which comes up to a total of 48 hours a week for 6 days. Part B of Section 25(1) notes various intervals and maximums which may be notified by the appropriate government. Thus, employers must follow the approved schedules and unilateral changes are prohibited. View a screenshot here. Following this review, we examined the overtime provisions and found no credible basis allowing employers to compensate 12-hour shifts with only 8 hours of pay. Beyond the prescribed limits on working hours, Section 27 requires worker consent and payment at double the wage rate. View a screenshot here. The working hours and overtime have been explained in a fact sheet released by the Press Information Bureau, which states the appropriate government has full flexibility for fixing the limit of overtime hours. The fact sheet further states this provision gives two benefits to workers, viz. Opportunity to earn more by doing overtime and get paid at higher wage, double the normal wage rate. View a screenshot of this here.
अगर मालिक चाहेंगे तो फैक्ट्री में किसी को 12 घंटा भी रहने के लिए मजबूर कर सकते हैं, पर उनको काम करना पड़ेगा 8 घंटा। इसका मतलब क्या है? इसका मतलब है कि मान लो कि सुबह 6 बजे तुमको शिफ्ट में लिया, 6 से 10 बजे तक काम करवाया, 10 से 12 बजे तक छुट्टी दिया, 12 से 2 बजे तक फिर काम करवाया।
Thus, the claim is misleading. Claim, a video shared by CITU Delhi claims that India's newly implemented labor codes empower factory owners to unilaterally set rest periods and spread over for workers, enabling them to mandate 12-hour shifts while paying only for 8 hours. Conclusion: the claim is misleading. The Occupational Safety, Health and Working Conditions Code 2020, effective November 21, 2025, does not permit any such unilateral employer imposition of working conditions. Instead, it says overtime work requires worker consent and double payment. Rating: misleading. Thank you for visiting us. For more videos, subscribe to our channel Digit India.